Unit 5. What an interesting family. Page 31. Exercise 2. Listening. Famous relatives. Listen to 4 conversations about famous people. How is the second person related to the first person? 1,
Who's that guy?
That's Quincy Jones. He's famous for his work in the music business, and he's a great musician himself.
That's strange. I don't think I've seen him before.
Well, I know you've seen his daughter.
Is her last name Jones too?
Yes, it is. Her name's Rashida Jones.
Rashida Jones? Oh, I love her. She was in my favorite TV show.
2,
What are you reading, Brianna?
An article about Ashton Kutcher. He's in a new TV show.
That's good news. I really liked his last show.
Do you know who he married in 2015?
Demi Moore?
No, Mila Kunis.
I didn't know that. What a cool couple.
3,
What are you watching, Samantha?
Oh, hi, Mom. I'm watching a new movie with Emma Roberts.
Oh, yes, Emma Roberts. I thought her aunt was great in Notting Hill.
Who's her aunt?
Julia Roberts. She's such a great actress.
I've never heard of her. What's Notting Hill?
It's a movie from the 90s. You should watch it. It's great.
The 90s? That's kind of old. But I'll watch it, if I can find it.
4,
What website is that?
It's called Star Watcher. It has all kinds of news about famous people. Look at this picture.
Oh, cool. That's Cameron Diaz. I love her. But who's that with her?
That's Nicole Richie, the fashion designer.
Oh, yeah, I know her. But I didn't know they were friends.
Actually, they're more than just friends. Cameron married the musician Benji Madden, and Nicole married Joel Madden, Benji's brother.
So they're sisters-in-law. I didn't know that. I need to follow celebrity news more often.
Page 31. Exercise 3. Conversation. He's traveling in Thailand. Part A. Listen and practice.
Do you have brothers and sisters, Tina?
Yes, I have a brother and a sister.
Oh, what does your sister do?
She's a surgeon. She works for a medical aid organization.
Wow! And what about your brother?
He's a writer. He travels and writes about his experiences for a magazine.
What an interesting family! Can I meet them?
Sure, but my sister's not here right now. She's treating patients in Cameroon.
And your brother?
He's traveling in Thailand, and then he wants to visit my sister. I miss them.
Page 31. Exercise 3. Part B. Listen to the rest of the conversation. Where do Max's parents live? What do his parents do?
So what about your parents, Max? Where do they live?
They live in California.
Oh, where in California?
In Sausalito. It's a small city, but it's very nice.
Are they still working?
Oh, yes. My mother is teaching at a university in San Francisco, and my father has a bookstore.
Page 31. Exercise 4. Pronunciation. Intonation in statements. Part A. Listen and practice. Notice that statements usually have falling intonation.
She's working in Cameroon. He's traveling in Thailand.
Page 32. Exercise 5. Grammar focus. Present continuous.
Are you living at home now?
Yes, I am.
No, I'm not.
Is your sister working in another city?
Yes, she is.
No, she's not. No, she isn't.
Are your parents studying English this year?
Yes, they are.
No, they're not. No, they aren't.
Where are you working now?
I'm not working. I need a job.
What is your brother doing?
He's traveling in Thailand.
What are your friends doing these days?
They're studying for their exams.
Page 33. Exercise 9. Conversation. I didn't know that. Part A. Listen and practice.
What a great picture. Are those your parents?
Thanks. Yes, it's my favorite picture of us.
It's really nice. So, do you have any brothers or sisters?
No, I'm an only child. Actually, a lot of families in China have only one child.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
What about you, Luis?
I come from a big family. I have 2 brothers and 4 sisters.
Wow, is that typical in Peru?
I'm not sure. Many families are smaller these days, but big families are great because you get a lot of birthday presents.
Page 33. Exercise 9. Part B. Listen to the rest of the conversation. What does Vicky like about being an only child?
So, do you like being an only child?
Of course. I get all my parents' attention.
Yeah, I share my parents' attention with 6 other people.
Well, you probably never feel lonely.
Do you ever feel lonely?
Sure, but it's okay. I have a lot of friends.
Page 34. Exercise 10. Grammar focus. Quantifiers.
All families have only one child.
Nearly all families have only one child.
Most families have only one child.
Many families are smaller these days.
A lot of families are smaller these days.
Some families are smaller these days.
Not many couples have more than one child.
Few couples have more than one child.
No one gets married before the age of 18.